토요일 아침 저는 밥을 좀 먹고 간식과 함께 뜨개를 하고 있습니다.
Guys, wait.
Yeah. 어머. 아이씨. 야. 안돼. Wait. 야. 이렇게. 야. 좀 보여주세요. What? He's just using me as a guide. This guy's crazy. What the hell? This guy's unbelievable.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it smells good. Ta-da.
I prefer the silent ones, a little feels wrong.
Oh, I guess it must be warm here. So
Yo, where are we going, man?
we're going to but I don't know where we're going. So we're gonna just find out. I think it's this place. We'll see. Okay, I think we are nearing the place. And
Oh,
there's
kind of cars.
so many cars around here. Nice weather. What the heck is the police? Okay, so this is the parking. Okay, well, we can dip anyway, I guess.
Benji, hang on. We're off-roading it. Benji's going for it. Oh, cool. We finished the market. How was the market, man?
Yes. Oh, couldn't get the pastry that I wanted,
Oh.
but got something.
That's true.
So yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately the pastry section was a little bit looted by the time we got there.
Yo.
But it's okay, we know for next time, I guess. We've got to come a little earlier.
Yeah, either that or pre-order, because
Oh, that's true.
that's crazy.
Cool.
Okay. 결혼식 선물로 받은 담요인데 빨래를 해가지고 꺼냈더니 실이가 엄청 좋아하네요. 좋아할 것 같았어. 실이 극세사 좋아하잖아. 실이 극세사 좋아하지요. 이죠? 그거 좋아요. Boom.
Boom.
Oh,
Whoa, hello.
Ollie.
Where are we going? I still don't know. Excited though. Where's the other ones?
Going for a date night. Derek doesn't know where we're going.
Okay.
They're gonna go
But
see.
there's some nice colourful buildings around here. Go for it, man. Don't be shy. Vlog it, vlog it, vlog it.
Who was it with?
Smelling good. Very cute.
I can do.
Oh. Good.
Because of the fish.
Yeah. Oh, you debated me there. I thought you were gonna kill the fish.
I don't know how I should have it. Oh, it's hot.
Oh. What is it? Is it the red bean?
Chocolate.
Oh. Nice.
No, it's coming. Oh my god, it's coming. She's not happy, which is understandable. Does he even see him? Shelby, you don't see him. Surely not. Surely you do. Siri, who's that? Psst, 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 psst. True. It's It's literally outside. Joe.
That's so cute. It's cute you peeking over her head.
It's so cute. I'm busy working, but look at this guy. Please close your eyes when you sleep. Jeez, he's possessed. I can't blame him though. I also wet from my eyes when I sleep sometimes. Takes it off of me. Close your eyes. Yes.
Such an African name. And the makeshift box.
Garden updates.
The rust irrigation
Oh my
system.
goodness. Trying to make it straight. Oh, right. The pipe.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Experimenting, it did not work.
Are you proud?
Move the zipper around. It looks super like it came right out of rust. Level
You-
1 irrigation system.
You know what? Upgrade is upgrade.